Today is a special day. Phoebe is back.
Hey, did you go to the vet today? Did you go to the vet? Did the vet declare you all better? Let's go outside. Outside without a leash now. Although her hair hasn't fully grown back, now I can take Phoebe with me in the garden. I just have to guard her a little bit from going berserk when there's other dogs around. But there she is. Hey, get out of there. Good girl.
Hey, I really want to thank you all who contributed to the GoFundMe for my dog Phoebe. I never imagined in the wildest dreams that I ever had that so many people cared about our little mascot here at Black Gumbo, but you did. And as a result, my dog Phoebe, who blew out her leg, her knee, her ACL is the equivalent in human terms, she had to have surgery, and it was a $6,000 surgery. I never would have imagined of spending that kind of money on a dog. But Phoebe's beloved. She's beloved in our family, and here on our channel, everybody loves Phoebe. And if you're a regular subscriber, you've seen her in my videos for many, many years now, but she has been missing for quite a long time now, about 2 months. And that's because she had to have that surgery to correct her problem and repair her knee. Well, today we went to the vet and she got a clean bill of health. Her surgery was successful. The x-ray showed that the reconstruction was successful, and now Phoebe can come out into her own domain here in the backyard without the assistance of me. She does not need to be on a leash anymore. I just need to watch her, make sure she doesn't go berserk when there's other dogs or lawn guys around. That's when she's going to blow out her knee. And she's got another one that's not been repaired, and the vet said that we should expect that one to go out too if she continues her berserk behavior. But as for now, if I come out and do a recon of the backyard and make sure there's no other dogs around, no lawn guys around, she can be out here with me, off the leash now, back to her regular self. Come here.
Hey there.
Phoebe in her natural habitat. The backyard meadow. The garden.
Psst. Yes, ma'am. Good girl. Okay. Let's go inside. Good dog. Look who's coming out. All right. Let's go make the rounds. Come on, let's go make the rounds. Good girl. Oh, you're going to go after the rat, huh? Is there a rat? She has been on rat patrol for a few days because we've got a rat. Hey, we got a rat. Where's the rat? Where's the rat? We've got a rat living under this deck, and Phoebe has smelled it and knows it's there. Hey! Oh, how you doing? Hey, hey! Is there a rat? That's going to be a good thumbnail right there. So her hair will grow back. It's already growing back a little bit. But when we came back from surgery... Hey, let's not go back there. It's ugly back there. When we came back from surgery, that area on Phoebe's backside was shaved all the way down to the skin. It was pink. It looked like a ham. And, well, she's getting her hair back. Come on. Come out here. Come on. Come on. So now she can romp around out here. Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, that's a good girl. When she came from surgery, this area right here was pink and bare. It looked like a ham. She's getting her hair back. It'll grow back pretty quick. The good news, Phoebe can be out here with me. off the leash, and that's important to her. She can go and do her rounds, sniff all the things, look for rats. Yeah, it's good to have Phoebe back in the yard. The doctor said that she should gradually build up physical therapy type stuff by being taken on a walk frequently to help her get some muscle tone back. You need some muscle tone, don't you? You want some muscle tone, huh? Well, there she is. The queen is back. Come on, let's go look at the garden. Come, let's go. Let's go look at the garden. What's going on over here? Well, our beans are coming up. Samson, the gigantic daikon radish, is putting on seed. That's what we want. He has not busted the block yet. Phoebe knows there's a cat been visiting my beets over here, dropping off little bombs in there. This is brassica. This is tatsoi, I believe, that's going to seed. It came up voluntarily in my pathway here, and so Phoebe has to go around it, but she doesn't mind. Things are looking good out here. But the main thing is, now my dog can join me, and I like that. It's good to have a companion in the garden, huh? The funny thing is, when they shaved her, they didn't shave the hair off her nub, her little tail there. And that just accentuated the fact that when we come home, or we've been away a while, or we call her name or something, she wags that nub, and it's very cute. As you can see, I need to weed whack the backyard. Hey! Hey! Let's go in! Come on! Let's go! Come on! You're a little chunky, aren't you? Come on, let's go inside. Good dog. Good girl. Good girl. So yeah, there we go. Once again, I thank you so much. If you were a contributor, or even if you didn't have an opportunity to contribute, but maybe you sent prayers for a dog, I appreciate it. It really makes a difference. I am so touched by our community here, and I thank you so much for helping out. And well, our dog is back. Phoebe's back to the garden. In all my videos, you'll see her milling around. You'll see the funny little captions I put on her whenever she's looking at what we're doing in the garden. Phoebe is back. Thank you so much. I just wanted to give you an update. So many of you have been asking after Phoebe, seeing how she's doing, and I tried to keep you updated, but here's the official update. Phoebe's good. Hey, thank you for joining me on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. We got a lot of gardening this spring to do. We've got some guests coming. We've got some trellises to make. A lot of things going on right now. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.